What is this?
What do you think it is?
I don't even know.
You trying to smell it?
Is this cheese?
I put some cheese on top of it.
Magunya? Like, what is this?
Looks like magunya, but there's something inside it.
What's inside?
By the way, people, she didn't know she was upstairs when I was doing all this. So she has no clue. You won't believe that is cauliflower.
No way.
Yep.
Mmm.
I was like, okay, let me take my magunya into that. Just make a butter with that.
That's really good.
It's different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Unbelievable. I was like, I like the way it came out. You know?
That is amazing. You should put try the salt on it.
Huh? The salt? The
yeah,
sauce?
the one I bought.
Which one?
The
What about this?
No, the salt. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, because I was saying try and dip that.
Woo! This is good. Mm.
I'm going to start by preparing the butter. There I already made some yeast mixture where I have 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of lukewarm water. You don't see me making that, but you see it in the cup there. I had it raised for about 5 minutes. So what I have in the bowl there now is 2 cups of flour and 1 egg, and I put some cayenne pepper, which is about 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now I'm putting in the yeast mixture, so this really makes it like raise very well. I usually make this magunya fried dough, but now I turned it into like butter, you know, make it light so that I can put that cauliflower inside. Now I just put some oregano. I'm putting some parsley with a bit of salt. About half cup of milk. Very important to make sure it's nice and smooth. There you have it. I'm putting a little bit of garlic salt. I'm gonna start now cutting the cauliflower. Take out the green stuff outside, and then cut it into medium size as much as you can. Yeah, there you have it. Rinse it a little bit. You just never know if it's clean enough, so I always make sure I rinse. And then take the water out, drain all the water. Now you have the bowl of butter there, and you're gonna start dropping all the cauliflower in it. After you do that, just stir. You can even use a fork, but that worked better for me. Warm some oil. not 2 tablespoons, but I use about 2 cups of oil. Make sure it's hot before you drop in the cauliflower. Your heat is about medium high. Once they start browning at the bottom, turn them over. After watching, don't forget to press that thumbs up. Like is very important for my channel. It really helps my channel a lot, so please don't forget. And don't forget to subscribe. Press that notification button so when I post something you don't miss out. And I do appreciate you so much for taking your time to watch my videos. Look how good that thing is. There you have it. It is so delicious. And I decided to put some cheese on top of it because it will just melt, you know. Again, that's optional.